So today we're gonna install some side markers on the Hellcat. Let's begin. I'm gonna do the back side first because it's a simpler process than doing the front. I'll show you all the front process though. It's pretty annoying. So to take this side off, you just have to get in here. You see it probably. Where's it? There it is. Right about there. You just tap that little clip place right there. You just tap that and it'll open. There you go. Now you just wiggle it out. There it goes. It's out. Little clip right here. You just pop it up. Come on. Now I just popped it in there. Come on. This guy needs to stop weed whacking. That's done. I just loosened the lug nuts, jacked up the car. Now let's take these wheels off. All the nuts are out, so we just pop it out. And it's out. Now we just gotta move it back. So the wheel's off. These clips are annoying. Oh my gosh, so much sand. These don't go back in the same way though. They're like gone. They're technically, these are gone. Like, come on. Okay, yeah, this is a noodle now. You know, this side is the hardest part because the last part I have to do. And now everything is done. Now we have to sneak our hand in there to pop the front clip. You have to put your whole hand in and you just have to pop this. And pop it, come on. Oh my god, I gotta stop. There it goes. And just do this. And you just pop it right up. The old yellow one is out. The brand new limo tinted one's gonna go in. Now this will require some force because it will not go in. I'm gonna remove this tape real quickly. Sorry. Oh god damn it. You just slide it back and it should pop it. There it goes. Whew. That was a lot of force on one finger. That's it. Now time to put everything together. Look at that beeping. He's flashed. Yep. And let's see the back. Let's see. That's a Hellcat right there.